Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a 2-minute tip video, so I'm going to show you guys a real quick tutorial on how to change your Instagram icon. As you can see, my Instagram icon is not the same as yours, and there are a lot of icons that you can choose to replace the current one you are using. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Paravuth. I make different videos on app review, unboxings, photography and filming tips, so be sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so that you will get more useful videos in the future. Okay, so now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in order to change the icon, of course you have to launch the Instagram. Go to the Instagram setting and choose settings, and you have to swipe down, as you can see, until you see this message: celebrate with us. To celebrate our birthday this month, we are inviting you to change your app icon to show your favorite below. Thanks for being part of our story and using Instagram to share yours. Okay, now just choose any icons that you want and then exit the app to see the icon on the home screen. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.